Hello planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lacey and this is Living with Lacey. On this channel I teach you how to take charge of your life one plan at a time. And so let's just get into this video. Y'all, I was asked by Brittany of Plan Your One Life to do some planner and stationery supplies exchange. And of course I said yes. We have so many things that are just sitting around on our desk or in our offices that someone else could be using. So why not do a stationery exchange? So I am so excited. I'm going to get into this right now. I'll put all her information for her channel in the description box below so y'all can go check her out, and y'all can also see the things that I sent her as well. All right, y'all, so we start with the card. And this is from Cloth and Paper. I love these gratitude cards. All right, so she said, thank you for exchanging happy mail with me. It's always fun to get new things in the mail, especially when they're your favorite kind of surprises. XO from Brittany. All right, great. All right, here we go, y'all. It's so funny. I had to I watch her channel, but I had to watch it for a different purpose this time to kind of see the things that she was interested in so I could send her things that I know she would like. So let's start with washi tape. Oh, this is pretty. This is butterfly. So as you all know, I'm really into journaling this year, and this is just perfect. Love it. Butterfly washi tape. And then I love this too. I love washi tape that has words on it. Oh, this is pretty. Okay. And here's another one. Postcards. I know that the day will come when my fight of thief earth finally be lost, or shall be lost. Nice. It's beautiful. Let's see if I can open this just a little bit more. Oh, isn't that pretty? Pretty. Love that washi tape. I'm gonna look at all the washi tape. Oh my gosh, you know I love me some coffee. That's beautiful. Yeah, so I got rid of all my washi tape and then started over because I wanted it to be specific to how I journal now. I had a lot of Happy Planner and Recollection washi tape. And so now I'm going more with this style. Okay, I can't find where it is. Okay, y'all can see it, right? Beautiful, has little flowers on it. All right, and then there's one more washi tape. Once again with the words. I love script. I'll pull this off so I can show y'all. Beautiful. All right. Next we have, all right, Sparkle Princess Bow. That bow is beautiful. There's nothing like a happy mail exchange, y'all. Oh, this is so cute. Tear it off of there. So this is so cute. All right, and then I have some stickers. So this is Days of the Week in pink. Okay, and then this in purple. And then this is bluish. But look at this. Has a little silver. Oh, I like that. Shiny. All right, then next I have this purple, which is called Porcelain from Cloth and Paper. Some square flags. These are page flags. Okay, nice. And then we have a card that has some washi tape on it that she shared. Oh, I like this one because this is for fountain pens. This is ink, fountain pen ink. And this is grid, but it has a little green on it. Come on, washi tape. Okay, I'll find it. Can y'all see it? Y'all can see it. It has all kinds of supplies on there. Cute. All right, then. All right, so these are some tabs that say finance, weekly, monthly, list, and trackers. Use these with your tabs. I really can use this in my Sweet Freckles design. Okay. Then we have, let's see, what is this? This is like some paper, right? Okay. You know what? When you can't find where to open it, just use some scissors. Oh, this is pretty. Just like scraps of paper that I can use in my journal. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. And then there are, oh, some little people. I don't have any people for my journal. There we go. It's cute. Okay, little person with a little backpack. Cute. That's cute. Awesome. So this is all my happy mail that I got from Brittany. Thank you so much. You know I'm going to put all this to great use. I appreciate all of it. And I'm getting ready to journal too, so I can use half of this stuff. So thank you again. Y'all find someone to switch happy mail with, and then you'll put the things that you have to good use with someone else. Thank you so much for joining me. Again, thank you, Brittany, with Plan Your One Life, for sharing your stationery with me and sending me some happy mail. Appreciate you. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and click on those notification bells if you're interested in seeing more videos that I upload. And I want you guys to have a great week. There's more videos to come for this week, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.